Next, we're going to move on to opportunities. And now remember, with the opportunities, this is where we kind of take a shift in our thought process. We're no longer looking internal. Internal, we're looking at the customer, and we are looking at the employee. Now, external, we're looking at the industry, we're looking at the technology, we're looking at the market, we're looking at our competitors, we're looking at government agencies. We're looking outside of the company to come up with these. So from an organizational standpoint, how can you do more for your existing customers? What opportunities do you have? Maybe it's a new service. Maybe it's that you can just clean some stuff up, some processes that are painful for customers. How can technology be used to enhance your business? If you don't use a piece of software and you're just gathering all of your customer details and all your activities within an Excel document, you may want to set up something that has a database, like a customer relationship management software, CRM, or maybe you set up at worst an access database to help capture that data, make it easier to report on, so that can help you to enhance your business and make further decisions. Are there any new target audiences that you can potentially reach? Anything where you can understand a new market, a new way to be able to deliver the same type of service or product that you haven't tapped into before? And then finally, are there any new products or services that provide opportunity? So maybe you have identified a new target audience, or maybe that you've seen things kind of changing in the world and you're like, you know what, I can go and grasp into this area and make a product or a service to help with that. From a personal perspective, looking at your opportunities for yourself, what additional education would provide a boost? So looking external and understanding what different education is being offered that could help boost me to the next level. And then how can you leverage technology to aid you? Is there anything that you can do? A kind of a perfect combination of those two bullets are online courses such as this one. You're getting education, you're leveraging technology to be able to do so. But you could also leverage technology to do other things, to make a website that has your resume, a resume website, and doing different things to help set you apart from your competition.